Okay folks, so today in this video we're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to unbox the BESTEK 300 watt DC to AC power inverter. Comes with some instructions. So the idea of this device is you can plug this into your cigarette lighter of your vehicle and turn 12 volts into 110, 120, something like that. Basically, it's just household voltage. So we have two outlets here. So we would be using a maximum of about 150 watts on each one of those. An on-off switch has a nice feel to it. Over here we have a status indicator for power or fault. I'm going to assume that's going to be a red and green situation. And then we have our USB-A outputs here with an output of 2.4 amps. It's fan cooled here on the end. I understand this to be a 2-speed fan, so we'll see. But the idea here is we're going to suck cold air in here and force it through the device out these vents here on the side. So pretty interesting. All right, so 300 watts output, maximum output again, and this is a pure sine wave inverter. This is going to give us very clean power. You want clean power to protect your electronics. That wouldn't be really necessary for, like, say, AC adapters, like laptop chargers or anything like that. But if you want to run a small TV or something like that, you definitely want to have the clean sine wave. So, all right, I can't wait to start testing this device, and stay tuned for an upcoming review video. Thanks for watching.